Hey everyone! Today I want to show you my Bloodgood Japanese maple. I collected this one as a sprout in my boss's driveway ages ago. Could have been around 2010 or 2015, I'm not really sure. Now some people say not to do heavy pruning and heavy root pruning at the same time, but I do need to take some of the top off to make it easier to work with. The last time I repotted it, I tried some more granular soil, still with a large amount of organic compounds. The mix was heavy, so I used an inverted pot in the bottom to try and keep it from being too heavy to lift. First thing I need to do is to comb out all the roots with my root hook and see what I'm up against. I had two different pots ready to go, but I really wanted to try and fit it into a pot that would be display ready. The pot that I want to fit it in is very small. I probably could have gone directly to cutting all of these roots off, but as a beginner I'm taking my time and working cautiously at first. At this point I've made up my mind that it will go in the display pot, so I'll just keep taking roots out little by little to get it to fit. I have to admit I was very nervous taking this many roots out. There are basically 3 large roots, and unfortunately they start to spread a little lower than I would like. I'm hoping that new roots will form higher up along the main roots over the next few years. I used some lighter wire to hold it in at first, but when one of them broke, I moved up to 1.5 mil or maybe 2 mil. Quite a few scars on this side, but I think it gives it some character, so I haven't ruled out using this as the front of the tree. But most likely I will stick to this side. I know I have a lot of work to do to get this tree ready. There are quite a few spots where I have multiple branches coming out of a single point, and the length between the nodes needs to be shortened. but I think it's coming along nicely, and I'll keep doing update videos to show you how it progresses. Thanks for watching.